The purpose of this video is to teach you how to use the past when it comes to affirmations, such as was busy or was quiet, and negations, such as was not busy or was not quiet. If you want to say things like that in Japanese, you would need to take grammar in consideration because adjectives take a different form depending which type of adjectives they are. What you need to know is that there are two types of adjectives in Japanese language: the ones that end in the hiragana I and the ones that do not end in the hiragana I. When it comes to the first category, busy is a great example. In Japanese, busy would be isogashi. As you could see, there is that hiragana I at the end. So if you want to say was busy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I, add katta, and add des. So it would sound like isogashikatta desu. Isogashikatta desu. When it comes to the second category, quiet is a great example. In Japanese, quiet would be shizuka. As you could see, there is no hiragana I at the end. So if you want to say was quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective and add deshita. Simple as that. When it comes to negations, this classification is just as relevant. If you want to say was not busy, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, cut the last I again, add ku, and add nakatta desu. So it would be isogashiku nakatta desu. Isogashiku nakatta desu. If you want to say was not quiet, what you do is the following. You take the adjective, add dewa, and add nakatta desu. So it would be shizuka de wa nakatta desu. Shizuka de wa nakatta desu. Let me read them again. If you want to say was busy, it would be isogashikatta desu. If you want to say the opposite, it would be isogashiku nakatta desu. Isogashikatta desu. Isogashiku nakatta desu. If you want to say was quiet, it would be shizuka deshita. If you want to say the opposite, it would be shizuka de wa nakatta desu. Shizuka deshita. Shizuka de wa nakatta desu. Alright, now that we have the pattern in front of us, let's reinforce these while doing some practice together. What I want you to do is to help me fill out this table. In this table, I prepared to you a set of vocabulary, which we will first translate into Japanese, then we will use them in an affirmation, and then in a negation. My first question, how do you say thin in Japanese? In Japanese, it would be hosoi. Hosoi. Let's first see what type of adjective this is. Does it have a hiragana I at the end? Definitely yes, right? Great. Now let's see how we can say was thin. The pattern is in front of you. If you need more time, pause this video, come up with your own answer and check it with me. So if you want to say was thin, it would be hosokatta desu, right? Hosokatta desu. Excellent. Now let's see how we can say was not thin. Again, the pattern is in front of you. How would that sound like? It would be hosoku nakatta desu, right? Hosoku nakatta desu. Excellent. Let's see the next one. How do you say splendid? In Japanese, it would be rippa. Let's see which type of adjective this is. Is there a hiragana I at the end? I see none. So how do you say was splendid? The pattern is in front of you. It would be rippa deshita, right? Rippa deshita. Excellent. And how do you say was not splendid? It would be rippa de wa nakatta desu, right? Rippa de wa nakatta desu. Excellent. Let's see the next one. How do you say deep? In Japanese, it would be fukai. Fukai. Let's see which type is this. Is there a hiragana I at the end? Is there one? Definitely yes. So let's see how we can say was deep. The pattern is in front of you. It would be fukakatta desu, right? Fukakatta desu. Excellent. And let's see how you can say was not deep. The pattern is in front of you. It would be fukaku nakatta desu, right? Fukaku nakatta desu. Excellent. Let's see the next one. How do you say shallow in Japanese? In Japanese, it would be asai. Asai. Let's see which type is this. Does it have a hiragana I at the end? Definitely yes, right? So let's see how we can say was shallow. It would be asakatta desu, right? 浅かったです. And how do you say was not shallow? It would be 浅くなかったです, right? 浅くなかったです. Excellent. And let's see the last one. How do you say all right? In Japanese, it would be 大丈夫. 大丈夫. So what type of adjective is this? Is there a hiragana I at the end? I see none. So how do you say was or right? It would be 大丈夫でした, right? 大丈夫でした. And how do you say was not all right? It would be 大丈夫ではなかったです, right? 大丈夫ではなかったです. Excellent and congratulations. That makes it for this lesson. Thank you very much for your attention and I hope to see you in my next lessons. Have a great day.